for the perfect dessert? Well, you just found it. This is an amazing cake with eggnog. In Mexico, we call it rompope. It's gonna be a special cake to get drunk this Christmas, New Year, Thanksgiving, or wherever party you are having. You're gonna love it. Very easy to do and impossible more delicious. Pastel tres leches de eggnog. Welcome to Spicy Latina Mom. My name is Laura and I love to share all my Mexican food with you. Today we're making cake tres leches, pastel tres leches, but I'm adding some rompope. Rompope is very similar to eggnog, so you can make it just with eggnog. And well, for this recipe, we need a soft, very soft kind of angel cake so it can absorb all the milks. So we're making it in an easier way. That is gonna be, we're gonna using 2 cups of pancakes flour. I'm just gonna add it in my blender. We are gonna add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 pinch of salt, and half a cup of sugar. So I'm adding all this and we're gonna blend it all together. Now let's add the liquid ingredients. I have 4 eggs that we're gonna add over here. We add a spoon of vanilla extract and finally the oil. So now we're ready to blend all together. To this mix we're gonna add half of the can of evaporated milk. And let's blend again together. It's very important to put some oil or no mayonnaise, butter into the base so it doesn't stick to it. And I'm using just some oil spray. This is vegetable oil spray. And I'm gonna add my mix. And this is ready to go into the oven, so let's go. And now we are ready to prepare what is gonna be our meals for the tres leches cake. This means 3 meals cake, and we are using 1 cup of almond milk, but you can use coconut milk, you can use cow milk, whatever you want. I'm using almond milk. We're gonna use the half of the can that we have of evaporated milk left. We're gonna use 1 can of condensed milk and 1 cup of eggnog. Now, if you're making this with eggnog with alcohol, the flavor, it's gonna be depending on whatever you like. So I'm just adding 1 cup, but I'm gonna taste it, and if I feel like it needs more, I'm just gonna add more eggnog. I'm gonna just give it a first boil, and just after the first boil, turn it off and add more eggnog if you feel that you want it with more flavor or more alcohol. So this is ready. I put it in the fridge for like a half an hour to let all the juices come together. And now we're ready. I'm just using white cream to the top. It's much easier than making your own chantilly. So we're gonna go easy on this recipe. And I'm just gonna put it on top. I cover it with white cream, but remember, if you're using white cream, this needs to be in the fridge all the time. If you can use, we call it crema chantilly, that'd be easier. It's gonna keep it fluffy and delicious without being worried about not being in the fridge. Still, this kind of cake has to be in the fridge because it has the milks, but let's cut it and see how it looks like. I just want you to see how moisture this is. Doesn't it look delicious? Eggnog cake tres leches, amigos. Let me check it out. And you guys, this is just unbelievable. You are gonna love it, I'm sure. Please follow me on Facebook as a Spicy Latina Mom In Instagram, it's a Spicy Latina Mom. Everywhere is a Spicy Latina Mom. And I see you next week with more delicious recipes. Subscribe. Adios, amigos.